Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. 2-box break. So far the football has been pretty nice. We're going to start off with the 2010 Limited and finish it off with the 08 Premier. And we have 3 thick cards in here. Let's hope for no redemption. 2010 Limited has a lot of redemptions in it, it seems. Let me cut my way through this pack. This pack does not want to open. There must be something good inside. We hope. Alright, I'm going to put a decoy in the back. Starting off at a $4.99, Josh Cribbs. These are at a $4.99, all of these. Aaron Rodgers, Packers. Andre Reed, Bills. This one's backwards. Browns, Carlton Mitchell. Deji Kareem for the Jags will be numbered at a 25, low numbered for the Jags. Be a little random in there. Then we have a Noshawn Moreno banner season 2009. This one is numbered out of 100. 22. Let me make sure it's not his jersey. 27. No, 22. 22 out of 100 Noshawn Moreno jersey for the Broncos. And then we have numbered out of 25. Very nice patch. 3-color patch of Gerald McCoy for the Buccaneers. Gerald McCoy for the Buccaneers. 3-color patch.
This is a great opportunity, and I appreciate this.
And there it is. And the rich get richer. Oh, sick. The rich get richer for the Browns. Jersey patch. Autograph. At a $1.99. Brian, get yourself a fucking PC. Colt McCoy.
So, got some news.
Colt McCoy patch autograph. 151 out of 199. Sick. And there's actually, I don't know what that is. There's like dirt on it, or I'm not going to touch it. There's something on the O. I'm going to zoom in on video. It looks like a piece of newspaper, to be honest with you. I don't think it's dirt, but nice card. Colt McCoy autograph for Bryofia. All right. 08 Premier. Final box. Good luck. Share the wealth. Let's get some hits for other people. Box number 01. Yeah, Flacco, maybe Matty Ice Ryan would be nice. There's the pack. And I'll put a decoy in the back. I won't peek at the back card. Alright, starting off, we have a base for the Eagles of Brian Westbrook out of 99. Brian Westbrook for the Eagles. Next will be the rookie. And little ding on the top. Little ding on the top corner of this card. Try to zoom in. It'll go to the Bills. Nice looking card, red, white jersey, autograph at a $2.75 of James Hardy. There's a little ding on the top of the card. I'm not sure if it'll be able to pick it up, but little ding on the top. James Hardy for the Bills, who keep hitting. The Bills and Browns are doing very well in this break. Then this will be a manufactured patch, or patch. Syracuse. Who could that be? It'll go to the Cowboys. The Cowboys will get this one. 13 out of 15. Darryl Johnston. Darryl Johnston for the Cowboys. And then I see Bengals. Bengals number 12, actually 15. 15 out of 25. Bengals, Browns, and Bills are doing very well in this break. It's going to be a helmet, jersey, 2-color patch. 15 out of 25 of Chad Johnson for the Bengals. Helmet, jersey, dual patch. Dual color patch. Here you go, Jason. All right, what do we got? We got 3 cards remaining. Next, we'll go to the Cardinals. Another random between everyone in the break. It'll be an autograph numbered out of a 199. 198 out of 199 of Callis Campbell. Callis Campbell for the Cardinals. All right, 2 cards left. This one will be numbered out of 40. Out of 40 for the Rams, quad jersey of Mark Bulger. Which means the next card should be autographed. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe the next card should be an autograph. Let's see what we get. Good luck. It's going to be numbered out of 20. It will be autographed, numbered out of 25. And it'll go to the 49ers. Numbered 13 out of 25, triple jersey autograph of Patrick Willis. So nice boxes, very nice box of 2010 limited, real nice box of nice box of 08 Premier. That is it for the football. Hopefully everyone enjoyed. I know a few people who had some of the teams definitely enjoyed. We'll be back with baseball breaks. GSN Cards is out.